Hey guys, today is June 6, 2019, and I thought I'd show you my sunflowers. I've got 2 boxes planted. I was going to plant that last box with sunflowers, but it got too late and I just didn't plant any because I didn't have soil in that box. So, tell you a little bit about the sunflowers. They are a Mammoth variety. They need about 6 hours of full sun. The package says it takes 100 days to bloom, but this sunflower here, it took about probably 66, maybe 70 days. So I guess depending on how much you fertilize or what kind of soil you have, depends on how long it takes. I have them planted in Miracle-Gro garden soil, like you see here. We got from Lowe's. I know a lot of people don't like Miracle-Gro garden soil, but it seems to be working well for me right now, so I'm gonna just keep using it. What I done here was I planted a bunch of seeds. I probably planted like, I don't know, 3 packs of seeds. I had them coming up everywhere. Even in this box, I planted all the way down the center of that box, probably 100-something seeds. And as they came up, I thinned them out to what you see here, about 8 maybe, 8 or 9. And in this box, I probably have way too many sunflowers. But I wanted a lot of flowers, so I left a lot in there. So usually these flowers get probably 12 foot high, but I guess since I have so many in there, they're only getting about 6 foot, some less. See, that one only got that tall, but it hadn't sprouted yet. But these are some of the prettiest flowers you've ever seen. So I've got a bunch of them about to bloom any day now. So I thinned these out to about 1 foot, maybe half a foot. That one's a little closer. But mostly about 1 foot apart from one another, and they're looking pretty good. The stalks are real thick on them. They're getting real tall. So I've been growing these Mammoth sunflowers for a bunch of years now. I don't think I grew them last year, but started back growing this year. And I can't be more happy. So this sunflower will bloom, and then I'll start to get some sprouts in the corner of these right here, and then they'll start to bloom also. Let me show you the actual sunflower seeds. If you look real close in there, you'll get to see the sunflower seeds right there. So this whole head will be full of sunflower seeds. And what will happen is when they develop fully, the birds will come in here and start eating them. My plan is to maybe grab about 2 or 3 of these sunflowers, cut the heads off when they start drooping real bad, and I'll put them in my building and let them dry out. And then I'll harvest the seeds. So once all these start blooming, then I'll do another video and post some pictures on the Facebook page. If you don't know nothing about that, it's USC 529 on Facebook. Go check it out. I post a lot of pictures on there. Just trying to get back in the swing of things. Alright, I guess that's pretty much it for my sunflowers. Again, they're a Mammoth variety. You can pick them up at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, any landscape place. And if you space them out right, they'll get really, really tall. And the heads are probably anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches. I planted some a bunch of years ago. They were huge. I'm telling you, huge. Real pretty. Alright guys, I guess that's about it for my sunflowers. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.